Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to create a survey form in Beehiiv. So here in our dashboard we're going to go over to the left sidebar where we have audience. So here under audience we're going to click on the drop down menu and then we're going to see surveys. So we're going to click on surveys and it's going to take us to this page where we can create survey. You could decide to click the button here at the top right corner or the button here at the center. So when we click on the button create survey, you can see form created successfully. Well, the first page you get to fill in some information is for the metadata of this survey, such as the title, the description, the CTA, and the thank you message. So we're just going to fill in some of the information. And right here, you can see that we've added the metadata, the title, the description, the CTA, and the thank you message. So we're going to click on update survey. So after that's done, you're going to go over to the top left corner where you have form builder and responses. Now, if you click on responses, this is simply a tab where you're going to get the responses from your users, such as total questions, total responses, and completion rate. Some statistics to help you with your survey. However, in the builder, you have the main chunk of the survey where you can add each question and have the design for the whole survey. So we're going to click on add first question. And here you get to add the name of the question, the type of question, and a custom field value. So you can see here the first question in the survey is your first name. And then the question type is a short response because it's just the first name. So we can go ahead and click on add question. So after creating the first title, the question type, you have the custom field value. So we're going to create a new one for the custom field value. Now here in the custom field value, you have text and we could simply give it a name. Now this is basically you setting the parameters of this question. So the data type, is it going to be a number for the name? No, it's going to be a text. So we're going to leave it in text and create custom field. Now that the custom field has been created, we can add the question. And then you can see here first name and the person can type the name that they want. And also you could select to make this a required form, which means that this needs to be filled in order to submit the form. Of course, usually first names are important, so we're going to select required on form. And then we could go ahead and click on the plus icon, which simply means to add a new question. And right here, we've just added a new question, and the question is your age range. And it's going to be a multiple choice answer, so we're going to have to select multiple choice. And then we're going to go over to custom field and create a new one. And we've given it the name of range and the data type. We can select list multi-select. So we're going to create a custom field for that. Now that it's created, we can simply click on add question. After clicking on add question, you could decide to allow multiple responses. However, since this is an age range question, we need to have one type of response. So we're going to click an option. As you can see, we added an age range of 18 to 25. We're going to add another option. So here you can see we just added another age range, 26 to 35. After all of this is done, you can go ahead and click on publish, or before publishing, you can click on preview. And now you can see what we wrote before: health survey, first name, age range, and the submit button. You can see the metadata such as the title of the survey and also the description of the survey. So if this is good, you're going to go back to the previous tab where you have the main form draft, and then it's going to ask you a question if you really want to do that. And you can go ahead and click on publish. Now that it's published, you can have this health survey, which the status is live. In order to share this, you can simply go to the extreme right corner where you have the three dots and click on it. And then you have copy URL. When you copy this URL, you can share it in any platform you want in order for you to have the answers you want from your responders. So this is how to create a survey on Beehiiv.